Silent footsteps. 8 powerful psychological tricks for persuasion and success. Have you ever walked into a negotiation feeling completely outmatched, only to walk away having secured a far better deal than you anticipated? Perhaps you've witnessed a seemingly ordinary sales pitch effortlessly sway a crowd, leaving everyone eager to buy. These aren't acts of magic, but rather the subtle yet powerful influence of psychological tricks. Today, we'll explore 8 such tricks, understanding how they work and, crucially, how to use them responsibly. We'll delve into the science behind persuasion, examining techniques that can be applied in everyday life, from improving your communication to achieving greater success in your endeavors. Remember, while these tricks are powerful tools, ethical considerations are paramount. Let's dive in. First, we'll explore the priming effect. Priming is the unconscious activation of certain associations in our minds, subtly influencing our subsequent thoughts and behaviors. Imagine a marketing campaign using words like luxury and prestige before introducing a new product. These words prime the audience to perceive the product as high-end, even before they learn about its features. In your own life, you can use priming to set the mood for a presentation or interview by listening to upbeat music beforehand, priming yourself for confidence and success. Next, consider the framing effect. How information is presented drastically alters how we perceive it. Think about the classic example of beef described as fat-free versus fat. Both are factually identical, yet the first option sounds far more appealing. This framing effect is a cornerstone of marketing, and understanding it allows you to present your ideas, proposals, or even problems in the most persuasive light. In negotiations, framing can be incredibly powerful, shifting the focus and guiding the other party towards a mutually beneficial outcome. The anchoring bias is another fascinating phenomenon. The first piece of information we receive often becomes an anchor, influencing all subsequent judgments. In a negotiation, the initial offer sets the anchor. A shrewd negotiator will strategically anchor the discussion at a point advantageous to their goals. Understanding anchoring allows you to avoid being unduly influenced by initial offers and to strategically position your own offers for maximum impact. Reciprocity, the natural human tendency to return favors, is a cornerstone of social interaction. Giving a small gift or offering a minor service can significantly increase the likelihood of someone complying with a subsequent request. This is a powerful tool for building rapport and fostering positive relationships. Consider offering a helping hand to a colleague. This act of reciprocity can pave the way for future collaboration and mutual support. Scarcity, the perception of limited availability, dramatically increases desirability. Limited time offers, exclusive access, and low stock warnings are all classic marketing tactics that exploit this powerful psychological principle. Understanding scarcity allows you to increase the perceived value of your offerings, whether it's a product, service, or even an opportunity. By creating a sense of urgency, you can effectively influence decisions and drive action. The halo effect demonstrates how a single positive trait can influence our perception of other traits. An attractive person, for instance, might be perceived as more intelligent or competent, even if there's no objective evidence to support this. This effect is especially relevant in making first impressions. By focusing on projecting a positive and confident demeanor, you can leverage the halo effect to create a favorable initial impression. The bandwagon effect, the tendency to follow the crowd, is a powerful social influence. We are more likely to adopt beliefs or behaviors that are widely accepted, often without critical evaluation. Social media trends are a prime example of the bandwagon effect in action. Understanding this effect is crucial for making independent and well-informed decisions, resisting the pressure to conform simply because others are doing so. Finally, cognitive dissonance describes the discomfort we feel when holding conflicting beliefs or engaging in behaviors that contradict our values. This discomfort motivates us to resolve the inconsistency, often by changing our beliefs or justifying our actions. Understanding cognitive dissonance allows you to reinforce positive behaviors and help others overcome negative habits by addressing the underlying inconsistencies that create this discomfort. In summary, we've explored 8 powerful psychological tricks: priming, framing, anchoring bias, reciprocity, scarcity, the halo effect, the bandwagon effect, and cognitive dissonance. These techniques, while incredibly effective, must be used ethically and responsibly. Experiment with these principles in your daily life, but always prioritize integrity and respect in your interactions. Share your experiences and let's continue the conversation about the fascinating world of psychological influence. Remember to use these tools wisely and ethically for positive outcomes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to receive more advice on love and relationships in the future. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can recognize these signs too.